there's no immediate solution for climate change. It's a long term. We have to work towards it long term. Any specific projects that you want to share on, Your Excellency, that we're working on right now?
It's long term, but it's urgent.
Very urgent. Agreed with you 100%.
So we're bringing our little contribution, but the European Union is 9% of overall emissions. So we need to team up. More than projects, is about teaming up and about getting countries on board. I think China is becoming a big actor and achieving fantastic milestones in climate change. It is big in green technologies, so it will be a big contributor, and we need to have as many allies as possible. Every single action, every single contribution counts.
Vyas Media Network.